In this video, I'm going to teach you how to remove red cross marks from folders and icons in Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's get started. Now the case is when you bring up your File Explorer, okay, and when you look at the folders or even the icons that you have here, you can see a red cross mark, okay, which is being attached on the specific folders or icons. In my case, I don't have any, but if you do, which is a red cross mark, okay, something red which contains this circle or X, okay, X icon, which is being color red, okay. In my case, I don't have such as what I have said earlier, but if you do, this is not a problem with your Windows 11, but it is a problem with your OneDrive, okay, because it's full, okay. So we are going to fix it. So firstly, you need to navigate to the taskbar. Okay, aligning to it, you can see there a forward arrow. Please click on it to show hidden icons. So you can see your OneDrive icon here, which is the cloud icon, or you can see it beside the forward arrow, just like mine. So click on it or tap on it. And in that way, you would be able to see a window like this. All you need to do is you need to navigate at the upper right side of that. You can see there a gear icon which contains the help and settings. So from here, please navigate to the settings, which has this gear icon as well. And you would be able to bring up the OneDrive settings, where at the left pane, you can see there four options. And these are sync and backup, account, notifications, and about. So in order to fix the problem, we need to navigate to the second option, which is account, and you need to unlink this PC. So click on unlink this PC. Okay, and you need to unlink account. Okay, and click on it and wait for a few seconds. And in a few seconds or in a few moments, you would be able to remove the red cross mark on the folders or icons in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. Okay, now that's it. If you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Now thank you for watching and have a good day everyone.